My dad was actually a really big fan of Superman, and he got me into Superman and the comics at a very young age. We would watch the black and white, old school Superman and all the Superman movies. I just grew up kind of loving that, just wanting to be a superhero, hoping one day you get bit by a spider that gives you superpowers or something. It was always just these people, these men being on the right side, fighting to save people, to save the world, to save their family, to stop disasters, and it is always fighting against a clear bad guy and a clear enemy. They fight for what's right, they fight for the good guys. They don't always have to do it. A lot of them have a choice as to whether or not they want to be heroes, and they have a choice as to whether they want to do good or do they want to do bad with the gifts that they've been given. With all that power, it's kind of remarkable that they chose such a noble path. These were real people or real superheroes. And if they can choose with all that kind of power, then with the little bit of ability that we have as lawyers, we can be on the right side. We can do the right things. We can use our knowledge, we can use our experience, we can use our talents and our crafts. We can use that to help people. I never was gonna be on the defense side. It was never gonna happen. When you think about what the defense side is doing, they're trying to downplay these life-altering events that have happened to our clients. They're trying to downplay their injuries. They go to great lengths to devalue and dehumanize our clients. You know, human suffering is immeasurable, and we are forced to put values to it, which is a unique thing in and of itself. You know, how do you value a human life, or the loss of a leg, a head injury where you can't remember who your spouse is? These are significant injuries, and these people, they need somebody in their corner. They can't do it themselves. They can't get up there and fight against these insurance companies that have billions and billions of dollars. So what do these people have? They have lawyers like us and like SHK and like my team. We give the sacrifices that we need to in order to help those clients prove their cases. You know, people, I think they underestimate the amount of sacrifices a good attorney will make for their client and for the greater good of the case. We miss key moments in our own family's lives. We miss birthdays, we miss anniversaries, father-daughter dances. We miss all sorts of things with our own family because we are tied up working for a client who needs us, working for a family who maybe lost a father or lost a mother, or some parents who lost their kid. And so we're busy fighting those cases for those people and basically trying to be their hero, staying up late at nights, working weekends, missing events. And that's the sacrifice that we make. That's the sacrifice that we're willing to make for our clients. And we will continue to do so, and I think until our last breath, pretty much.